Hey YouTube, it's Mr. B here, and today we're unboxing the latest dunk from Nike SB, but this time it's a collaboration with Murasaki Sporting from Japan, so let's go do it. Hey YouTube, glad to see you back. We are back on the normal uploading schedule. Yes we are, SJ. We are back on Tuesdays and Thursdays, camera 2. I think you're camera 2, I'm sure you're camera 1. Anyway, no one's interested in that. Let's get to the unboxing, which I'm going to start probably about now. Whoa! Yes! We did it! We did it! We did it! So, just so everyone can see, these are Nike SB Quick Strike, I think. And we'll get straight to the important stuff, SJ. These are a Nike SB Dunk Low, not Load, TRD Quick Strike. They're 11.5 in the US sizes, that's the UK 10.5. And they're Dark Obsidian. The code is 8832324442. I'm gonna let you into a secret. I didn't realize these were a TRD. That means there might be something special in here. So let's get the box open. Oh wow. Woodcut paper, everyone. Ooh. So the first thing I'm going to say is when I bought these, I didn't realize that they were obsidian. I thought they were black, but they're not. They're dark blue. So get a look at that, SJ. I'm going to get the other shoe out. SJ over there on sneaker cam. So the alternate laces, everyone. Alternate laces are the standard Dunk sort of SB laces, but in the obsidian blue. Right, let's get rid of the box. So the other thing, and I said when I just unboxed these, TRD, I didn't realize they were TRD. They didn't look it, SJ. They did not look TRD. What does that mean?
Traditional.
But what does that mean to us, the punter?
Fat tongue.
Fat tongues, everyone. Not that fat, but fatter. I suppose in these times of healthy living, you can't have a truly fat tongue. You have to have a slightly less fat tongue. But yeah, a lovely fat tongue. So what can we say about these before we have a good deep look? These are a collaboration with a Japanese extreme sports store, as far as I can tell. Murasaki I think it's actually Murasaki Sporting in Tokyo. And we'll talk a little bit more about that later. Oh my word, there's all sorts, I'm seeing little details on these. Right, so we're gonna get the paper out because there's all sorts of details on these shoes that makes them kind of amazing. So first of all, the thing that I can see straight away, I wanna call out on the heel, SJ, have you got this? Together, 1973, not the year I was born. Not quite. This was, wow, that's actually crazy. So Murasaki Sporting was actually formed in 1973. I think it was June 73, which means that Murasaki Sporting is about 9 months older than me. You can work that out later. I am such an old man. Oh no, I've let my secret out. I am such an old boy. Right, so I showed you that. Then I want to show you, so I think they're calling this, I think they're saying it's like a drilled perforated leather. It's quite a tough material underneath that swoosh there. The other interesting thing here, and this is kind of camera 1, it's kind of an embossed suede. It's not embossed, but it's got that sort of suede-y feel, SJ. It doesn't go backwards and forwards, but it's not printed leather. Camera 2. If you were around in 1973, not like me, you might have gone to a restaurant on the high street and you might have seen flocked wallpaper, and it's kind of like that. It's kind of like 70s flocked wallpaper feel. Not as raised as that, but elephantness, no doubt. Standard sort of toe box there. Have a look at that, camera 2. But we've also got a nice Obsidian suede on the, I suppose that's the mud guard, maybe? I don't know what we call that on the Dunk. The other thing, camera SJ, that doesn't work. Sneaker cam, I'm out of practice, everyone. It's been a couple of weeks, I've lost my flow. Also, on the fat tongue, which we love, it says Ride Life there, which actually if you go to the Murasaki Sporting website, you'll see that that's one of their slogans. Why have Nike SB joined up with Murasaki for this? And I think there's actually going to be a number of shoes coming out. Let's see if I can get, I want to get the inner sole out because I want to show you something. And I'm trying desperately to get that one out. Okay, that one's not coming out. Maybe the other one will, because normally, you know me, I pull these inner soles out because there's detail on that I want to show you. Aha, here we go. It's coming. It's not glued in. SJ's pulling all sorts of faces. So it's not the one that I want to show you. I wanted to show you the other one. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take that sticker off and we are going to put that sticker in the other shoe. Why have they collaborated? Well, in 2020, the Olympic Games goes to Tokyo. And I'm led to believe that these Japanese, this Japanese writing, kanji, I think that's what it is, actually says Tokyo there. But if you come in close, SJ, right there underneath, it says for the future of skateboarding, enjoy, ride life. Can you read that? And then obviously the Nike SB logo there. Now, again, why are they collaborating? Well, I believe, and all you Olympic aficionados out there can probably tell me otherwise, and standard Zoom sole, just so you know, look, that the lack of air in the Zoom heel unit. Let's get that back in there. I believe it's actually the first time that skateboarding has been proper included in the Summer Olympics, which, you know, one way or another, I know some people don't like that fact, and I know obviously some people don't like the fact that snowboarding is in the Winter Olympics, but it is part of the Winter Olympics, and I suspect that that's what skateboarding is going to do. So this is the first, I think there's going to be a couple more shoes celebrating the fact that skateboarding has come to the Summer Olympics and to Tokyo. So what do you think? SJ, do you like these?
I do. There's lots of detail on them.
It's tons of detail, isn't there? It's ridiculous. If you think, right, this was a GR release, more or less. More or less, you could pick these up at any skate shop and they're sitting everywhere. And they weren't that expensive. And yet, there is so much thought gone into these shoes. It is absolutely ridiculous. Oh, it's a really nice blue. It's gonna bleed like buggery. It is gonna bleed like buggery. That suede is just gonna be deadly. But that is a lovely shoe. Take a look. We're going to spin around it one more time and then I'm going to do my outros. But yeah, look at that. Amazing. I just wanted to say to everybody, thank you all so much for subscribing. I can't believe, like, we've broken 700. Don't tell anyone, because it can't be real. I know that doesn't seem a lot to many people, but I can't quite believe it. It's ridiculous. I say this every time we break a number and I'm like, oh, exciting. So thank you so much. And thanks for commenting. Thanks for liking, subscribing. If you haven't subscribed by now, you like this sort of thing, subscribe. It's somewhere about here. If you haven't joined the notification gang and you want to go to the notification bell, just down there, you'll see when we upload, which is Tuesdays, Thursdays, and we stream on Sundays. And yeah, people, until next time, I'll see you later. Bye. Why is the dog in it again? Dog's always in these films these days. Come on, to the shoes. We're here for shoes. Not here for the dog, here for shoes. See you.